Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi ramen at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of instant ramen, about 1 cup of kimchi, and any extra toppings you love, like a soft-boiled egg or some sliced green onions. Make sure your vegetables are prepped and your protein is ready to go for a smooth cooking process. This quick preparation sets you up for success. Now, let's create that incredible broth. Start by boiling 2 1/2 cups of water in a small saucepan over medium-high heat. Once simmering, add the entire ramen seasoning packet. Next, pour in about 1/4 cup of kimchi juice for an extra layer of tang. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of chopped kimchi. This combination forms the rich, savory, and slightly spicy foundation of your ramen. With your broth simmering beautifully, it's time for the star of the show, the noodles. Carefully add the ramen noodles to the boiling broth and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Once the noodles are ready, gently place your pre-cooked protein, perhaps a perfectly soft-boiled egg, right on top. Then, artfully arrange fresh vegetables like sliced green onions and a sheet of nori seaweed. Your delicious homemade kimchi ramen is now complete. Carefully transfer the steaming hot ramen into a large, inviting serving bowl. For an extra touch of flavor and aroma, drizzle a small amount of sesame oil over the top and sprinkle with a few sesame seeds. Serve it immediately while it's piping hot. Get ready to savor every single spoonful of this comforting and incredibly flavorful dish you just created.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.